On island of Eysturoy, one can experience peace and serenity. Along the shores of Funningsfjørður is where you'll find one of the legendary 10 wooden churches in the Faroe Islands, Funningur Church. Inaugurated in 1847, it is the 5th church built on a site known as Nýri Helma, which means down on the islet. Though no longer an islet, the river Stóra flows from the north down to the fjord, separating the church from the cemetery, creating an idyllic setting. Inside, churchgoers are warmly greeted as the eye is drawn to an altarpiece of a crucified Christ given to the church in 1929, a crucifix from 1690, and a reverent altar for services. Experience a community that cares. Experience the peace of Funningur Church.